G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, we're going to find out exactly how much money do I make on my YouTube channel. I've got 180,000 subscribers. Exactly how much revenue are we pulling in? We're going to have a look at how much my channel makes overall, and also how much we're making per video on like a daily basis to the dollar. We're going to break it down. I'm going to put some graphs and analytics on the screen, and then the third part, you're going to see why after that I really do need your help, and we've got some important announcements. So the first part, let's dive right in. I don't want to waste anybody's time. Exactly how much money, Stuart, do you make on your channel? Overall, 180,000 subscribers, 800 videos about FPV racing drones. It's my passion. I love this hobby. How much dollars is it bringing in per day? And take your guesses. We should with the magic bit of editing. Look how good this looks. We've got coming down from the top a graph on the screen. You can see it is making between like $55 to $70 per day. Across my entire channel with 180,000 subscribers, over 800 videos on there, you can see the big dollars coming in. Yeah, it's averaging at about $60 per day. And don't forget, this is my career. Like, YouTube expects me to live off this. That's what they're paying me for a channel that size. It's kind of ridiculous. You really don't make very much money considering the hours and everything that you put in to support a channel like this. It's just grueling. It is grinding on there. You got to be grinding, hustling, making videos, and that brings me on to the next part where exactly how much money do we make from a single video. So I did a little video, a card should pop up there. How much money, if I put out one video, how much money will that video make to the dollar? And that's very easy to tell because we'll put another picture of analytics on the screen, and you can see something that people don't know as well. YouTube really only pushes your videos for the first 24 to 36 hours after they're live. After that, forget it, wipe it off the shelf. YouTube doesn't care because it wants people to be making content after content. It just wants more and more stuff on their site so more people keep coming. It's building a huge library. That's like their mission. So if you don't make content, you can make an amazing video, but then after 36 hours, forget it. It is going to be gone. And this is where I say, if you're thinking about doing YouTube, you cannot make it as a career unless you are extremely passionate about what you're doing, about if you love it, if you enjoy making videos. Luckily for me, I'm extremely passionate about what I do. I love this hobby of FPV drone racing, and I share it with as many people as I can. It is life-changing, and I deep down believe that this is the single best hobby in the world on absolutely so many levels, which is why it's easy for me, and I can stay passionate and keep making these videos because it's really important to me. But exactly how much money did we make off one of those videos? And it is, drumroll please, coming in at around, I think at the time I took this graph, $22. Now this total video will probably make about $24 in its entirety. So when you look at that, so 24 bucks in its entirety on YouTube there. So that's for a single video. You got to be busting, working, hustling, trying to make content. So I'm going to say for anybody out there, if you're thinking about making YouTube your career, you really need to think about what are you going to be making, what content are you going to be making, exactly how passionate about it you are, and you can't do it without the support of some other things. You need to diversify and find some other ways to support the content you're creating. Now for a lot of people, they make stuff. Some people get sponsored or paid to go on trips and make videos. And then for me, and this goes for some other content creators out there, a big one is Patreon, a crowdfunding resource where people can pull together and they can support their favorite content creators. Now, if you are a patron of mine, I want to say thank you so much. I have such an amazing community out there who helps me share this passion of FPV, share it with as many people as we can. UAVfutures, it's all about getting people flying. I might not be the most knowledgeable person when it comes to all those sorts of technical RF stuff. It might not be the fastest racer. I might not be the best freestyle pilot. But what we do have, and I believe why this has become the largest channel out there, is we have a passion, an amazing community about sharing, flying, getting people in this hobby. It's all about getting together with your mates, exploring new places, helping people get airborne. That is my passion when it comes down to it. That's what I believe in. I want as many pilots in the sky, exploring the world like they've never seen before, being a bird, flying around, making amazing friends, and I need your help to be able to do that. Now, you might be thinking, oh, Stuart, look at that, just asking for some Patreon. And you know what? I am asking for your help. I've never asked before for people to just say, hey, I need your help to go sign up for Patreon. I put other people before my patrons first. I've said, look, go sign up to this when Blue Falcon had his accident, which was absolutely terrible. Like, help crowdfund that to go sign up to that, support his family and all those sorts of things. Zoe needed it the other day when she said, look, she couldn't continue making this FPV content. I got her, there was a huge influx of her for her love, and I support her passion over there and support her to get flying and her Patreon. And when Snake's house burnt down, I made a video saying, look, let's bound together, what is the word I'm looking for? Let's come together, let's support Snake. And this is the time now for me when I'm going to say, I do need your help. So if you've ever thought about subscribing to my Patreon, this is the time. Please, I'm going to put the link down below. It takes about 2 seconds to sign up. I have some really cool stuff that is coming that I can't wait to show you. It's a bit of a surprise, but I don't want to spoil too much. There's things like there where, you know, even if it's just $1 a month, $5 a month gets you a Velcro strap that gets sent out to you. That also is covered in that postage, so you don't have to pay for anything. So yeah, if you sign up for $5, you get a Velcro strap you can put on your quad, all that sort of stuff. There's Discord rewards on there. There's a whole bunch of stuff, extra content as well on Patreons. We've got like a Patreon only channel in Discord. We have, there's a couple of extra posts, extra videos occasionally, all that sort of stuff out there. Giveaways. So yeah, if you've ever thought about signing up to Patreon, think about, did I get you flying? How many videos of mine have you been watching? If you're here watching this, how much passion do I spark for you when it comes to FPV? Was I the first videos that you might have seen to get into the hobby, to get flying? Do my videos make you excited when I'm with my friends and think, yes, that's capturing what this hobby is all about? If so, please, even $1 a month is going to make a huge difference for me. I've got a bit of a mission you're going to hear me talking about, and it is to have 1,000 Patreon supporters. So whether that be $1, whether that be $5, whether it be some crazy people up at like $20 or something like that, if you can spare it, it would be greatly appreciated. And I don't want to have to rely on the YouTube and them dictating what's hot, what's not. I want to make good content for you guys. I want to keep sharing this passion of FPV, getting people flying, getting with their friends, exploring places, and for me, that's what FPV is all about. So if you've watched this video all the way to the end for about the price of a prop a month, and it takes 2 seconds to sign up, please consider joining my Patreon. The link's down below in the description as well as the top comment. Let me know what you think, and also if you are a patron of mine and you have been for a little while, thank you, because without you, I wouldn't be here in front of this camera making this much content for you. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much to everybody out there. Subscribe for my FPV related content. I'll put the Patreon link down below. I will see you on there. And as always, happy flying.